Good morning, students. Let you all go everywhere to tourist place. So you have to tell that place about that place. Me, I'm telling about my Adam Bridge when I go my journey. So hello friends, my name is Radha from class 6. Today I'm going to tell about Adam Bridge. Adam Bridge. Why it is name is Adam Bridge. First, I have to tell that Adam Bridge means Ram Setu. You all know about the Ram Setu. But today I am telling some new things that you don't know. So, Adam Bridge is in 1804, there is a man came whose name is Adam who discovered this Ram Setu. So, from his name, the Adam Bridge is there. And the story is that of Rameshwaram that there are two shivling. The story is first shivling that that there are popes in our time. In that time, the Ram killed the Ravan. So they have the Brahmatya. So they have to make and worship of the shivlings. So they say to the Hanuman ji to bring the shivling for worship. So, but the time was going on. In our Hindu culture, there is a special time of doing the thing. Like in the Ayodhya, the Ram Lala on that day is and that day स्थापित को क्या बोलते हैं सर establish on that 22 January. So the time was going. So they made a shivling of sand, and then Hanumanji bring the shivling, and there is a second shivling on their side. So the story that when they made and do the worship, then Hanumanji said, "What we will do of that shivling? Remove it and keep it this shivling." So they say the Ramji say that if you can remove, so remove, and then we will worship of your shivling. Then they cannot remove that shivling. So both of them the shivling we worship if you go in the Rameshwaram. Now I tell about the fact about the Ram Setu. In 2007, there is a party of the Congress that there is a Ram Setu, like this is the India and there is a Sri Lanka. So this is the Ram Setu. On that time, the Congress means the Sonia Gandhi ordered that you broke this pull, means remove this pull. But there was a case in the court and the work was going on. The Sonia Gandhi want to remove this pull because if there's a many ships comes and they have to cross the full round of the Sri Lanka, so they have to spend problem and spend more fuel. If we broke, so they can go from here, from that side directly. So that is good. But the case was going in the court, means Supreme Court. In the Supreme Court, there is the opposition party. The opposition party have the support of BJP and many other people and parties. So, but the main support is of BJP. The BJP styled their case, means to not remove the Ram Setu. So they tell when work was going, then there are many things are using. The machines are not working on that time, and the machine broke. If they work, so the machines are broken. This is the proof of the Ram Setu. And so the Sonia Gandhi had to take her order. So वापस लेने को क्या कहते हैं? Take back her order. And now around withdraw. And if I say there is a Ram Setu, means like there is a Ram Setu. So if you around go about the Ram Setu, so you will find many stones and statues of our god and goddess. So that is the proof of Ram Setu. And if and the sand is 4,000 year, means new, but the stone are 7,500 year ago. The stones are 7,500 year ago, and sand is 4,000 year. Because of the climate change, the sand is also changed, but the rocks are not changed. And now I will tell a thing that how the Ram Setu broke. The Ram Setu broke like this is the India and this is the Setu. So there is a cyclone come in 1964. Before the 1964, there are one more cyclone come in 18th century. But this cyclone is much stronger than that cyclone.
The last one.
The last one on that side. So the cyclone broke the parts and it divided some parts, and it is divided, and there is a church on the side, means in Dhanushkoti. This place is called the Dhanushkoti. So this is also destroyed by the cyclone. And now I will tell about a fact that now you know about the Rameshwaram. There are 22 wells, and the fact is that 22 wells, all wells have different water. Some are salty, some are sweet, and they are cost of sea, but they are cost of sea, but they are sweet and salty also. They have all different water. And now I will tell about a thing that you not know or know. So comment that, like this is the India and this is the Sri Lanka. You know there is a Ram Setu like this, and but you don't know this fact. If you go from Dhanushkoti to Sri Lanka, so the distance is 40 kilometer approximate. Sorry, 40 kilometer. But in the Ramayana that is written, it is 120 kilometer. How? So when there is a Setu Barai, that is the place where Ram worship of the Samudra Devta to give the way for going. But they cannot give, because if they give, so where all the animals go, and this is the against rule of the god. So this is Setu Barai. So from this there is a 21 island, and from this there is a 8 island. This is connected to the this. So it is 29 island. That is also written in the Ramayana. And the total distance, this is 80 kilometer, and this is 40 kilometers. So it's equal to 120 kilometer. If you add, so Ram goes from there. And now what is the distance from this? Due to the climate change, the distance is covered by the rocks and sand and rocks. And the stone to make the Ram Setu are, like this is the Ram Setu, are pumice stone and limestone. That in the lava there is a stones that hold. So there is a 1600 degree temperature. So they are very light types of the stone. and I have to tell about that thing, a thing that this pumice stones and many other stones are used, and they are made by the layer of them. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe.